Hey, what's up guys? Josh from Trail Built. Behind me we have Zach's 2018 Wrangler JL that we're going to be installing a SuperLift suspension on and throwing on a set of wheels and tires from trailbuiltoffroad.com, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so the kit that we're going to be installing is going to be the SuperLift kit for specifically the JLU models and newer. So what comes with this kit is we're going to get some new lower control arms. We're also going to get these new dual rate coil springs that come with the SuperLift kit. So these were designed specifically for the JLU that we're going to be putting in Zach's Jeep. The other thing that comes with it is going to be these nitrogen charged shadow shocks. It's going to have extended bump stops, both front and rear. You're going to have your extended sway bar links, both front and rear, and then you're going to have your track bar relocation brackets. So let's go ahead, let's get started.